Hi, I'm Nat Scott, New Homes Consultant for Summit Homes. I'm out at our Omnia display home today in Treeby to talk about my top tips for adding storage to your new home design. Robes in your minor bedrooms are typically only 1500mm wide, so if you've got the room to do it, it's worth extending them a few more 100mm to gain that bit of extra storage, as the space left next to the robe is often unusable and you're unable to furnish it. This is typically what you would find in a standard wardrobe, so it's the shelf with a rail underneath. A really easy and affordable way to achieve more storage is if you lift this to 2 meters and add another shelf and rail at 1 meter, then you've doubled your storage. I would recommend leaving a small section so you can hang coats, dresses and things like that in a long section. For your walk-in linens, swing the door so it opens outwards rather than inwards. That way all the floor space in your walk-in linen can be extra storage. We all know that as much as we try to keep our linens perfect and tidy, the reality is there's going to be a vacuum cleaner, the Christmas tree and whatever else on the floor, so it's always good to have that extra space and you're not battling to get into your walk-in linen. Another handy tip is to add a hanging rail to the underside of your overhead cupboards in your laundry. That way, if you've got clothes that you need to hang to dry, you can hang them here rather than on the curtain rails in your living areas. So if you've got a 2-story home, I definitely recommend adding storage in under your stairs. This is great for things like your luggage and really big bulky items that you can't fit in the standard robes and linens.